See what Cubana Chiefpriest is currently building in his hometown in Owerri, Imo State. Who really knows what this project is all about, because this one looks very big. So over the weekend, Cubana Chiefpriest was in Imo State to personally inspect his ongoing project, and from what he posted on Instagram, this is not just any regular development. He said, and I quote, "This one na project CP Heights. The plan is to replicate those luxurious apartments we see in Ikoyi here in New Owerri. Take everything, but please hapurum Owerri. Saturdays are special for site inspections." Now, from that statement, it's very clear this project is his, because for a second, people were actually thinking otherwise. But this right here, this is massive. Luxury apartment, Ikoyi standard, right in Owerri. Honestly, these city boys are really doing well. And speaking of city boys, CEO of Zenco Communications just made headlines again. He reportedly donated 10 brand new security vehicles, Hilux trucks, to the Anambra state government. What? That right there is huge.
A great resource of the state and in the state. He's of the Zenco group. May I respectfully call upon him to do the official presentation of the vehicles to Mr. Governor.
On behalf of Uzoragwa, the chairman Zenco Group, we're here today to support what you have been doing in ensuring that there's security in Anambra, enduring peace and security in Obo. We are lamb bearers to that security effort with your great support. And it is in that same vein that today, Mr. Ragwa of Zenco Group has presented these vehicles to the Anambra State Government to continue to support your vision and entrench lasting security in Anambra State.
With a great sense of gratitude to our brother, Uzo Orawa, accept this is very generous contributions for the continuing security of Anambra State. There are 10 of this. It's Hilux type, and to God be the glory, and that these vehicles will continue to strengthen our security. Anambra will remain the safest state in Nigeria in Jesus' name. Yeah.
And not long ago, he was also spotted at the Abia State Government House with a caption suggesting he's investing heavily in Abia State. Now people are asking, wait a minute, where exactly is Zenco Communications from again? Anambra or Abia State? Let's clear it up. The owner and managing director of Zenco Communications Limited is Kletos, popularly known as Zenco. He is a major Nigerian businessman from Ukpo in Nnewi South local government area of Anambra State. And this man is not small at all. He runs the Zenco Group, which includes Zenco Oil, Zenco Properties, and Zenco Communications. He's also a key partner of Techno Mobile in West Africa and the CEO behind brands like the General Bitters, plus involvement in Mario and Juliet's baby diapers. Low-key billionaire moves, no noise, just impact. And right now, Zenco is also building something serious, a massive villa in his hometown, tagged the Zenco Villa. And guess what? That project is already about 80% complete. So, from Owerri to Anambra to Abia, big investments are happening back to back. The real question now is, who is doing it bigger right now?